Honor has quietly launched its new smartphone under Play series in China called Honor Play 60A with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor Play 60A features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center that houses a 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a single 13-megapixel camera under the squarish module at the top left corner, with f2.2 aperture. Under the hood, the Honor Play 60A comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage. The device comes backed by a massive 5,300 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Magic OS 9 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167 by 77 by 7.89 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor Play 60A has been priced in China at 1,599 Chinese yuan for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant, and it is now available for purchase in the country in Lake Blue, Azure Sky, and Ink Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor Play 60A 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.